Have you ever felt your heart racing, your thoughts spinning, and you couldn't explain why? You are not alone. Anxiety after 50 is more common than most people realize. And yet, many of us suffer it quietly, thinking something is wrong with us. But here is the truth. Anxiety is not weakness. It is your body's alarm system asking for attention. Today I'm joined by Dwayne from the Alchemist Lab, and together we are unpacking what anxiety really is, why it shows up in midlife, and most importantly, what we can do about it. Because anxiety is not the end of peace, it's often the beginning of your awareness. You can learn to calm your nervous system, you can regain control and your thoughts, and you can feel steady again. And sometimes the biggest thing you can do is simple breathe and take the next step forward. Because life after 50 is not meant to be lived in fear. It's meant to be lived with courage, clarity and calm. And remember, because life after retirement is not about stepping back. It's about stepping into who you were always meant to become.